Active Quad Steve here. I know I'm not going to reach a lot of people, but I enjoy using my GoPro when I go to adaptive sporting events. And I came across these snap mounts, snapmounts.com. And you get the basic mount here with the magnets. They're magnetized. And you put your camera on it, attach, and then get the other magnets attached to your other mounts. And with my quad hands, I can attach it to my mount and go ahead and use it. And from here, I can grasp, give it a twist, and onto another mount. Now I don't have to deal with the finger mounts that are so tough to do. And maybe you don't have a camera, but maybe this is something you can use to adapt something you need for the same reason.